Top 10 bizarre animals found in Brazil. Number 10. Pink dolphin. Did you know that pink dolphins exist? Let me introduce you to the fascinating Amazon River dolphins. These extraordinary creatures are native to the rivers of South America, particularly the Amazon and Orinoco basins, and their striking pink coloration sets them apart from other dolphin species. This unique pigmentation is caused by the presence of blood vessels located close to the skin's surface. And remarkably, when the dolphins are excited during breeding season or agitated, the pink color becomes more apparent due to increased blood flow. These dolphins have a distinctive physical appearance as well. They have long snouts, rounded foreheads, and flexible necks, which allows them to move their heads in different directions. This adaptation is particularly useful in navigating the complex river systems they inhabit. They are also social creatures that live in small groups ranging from 2 to 8 individuals and are often seen cooperating with each other while hunting for fish. Number 9. Mata turtle. The mata turtle is truly unlike any other turtle you've ever seen. And if you're thinking, why does it have such a peculiar appearance? Well, here's the cool part. One key reason behind the mata turtle's distinctive appearance lies in its environment. The bumps and jagged edges on its shell are designed to mimic the fallen leaves, providing the perfect camouflage to create a sneaky trap for its prey. But what makes it even more intriguing is that despite being carnivorous, the mata turtle doesn't have jaws or teeth. Instead, its mouth is designed like a special compartment, much like a hidden vacuum chamber. And this is where its clever hunting technique comes into play. When a curious fish or any unsuspecting prey ventures too close, the mata turtle seizes the opportunity, and in a split second, its neck shoots out rapidly like a lightning bolt, creating a powerful suction that is strong enough to pull in the prey, leaving them no chance to escape. Number 8. Giant Brazilian otter. You won't believe it, but these otters are actually some of the most feared animals in the Amazon rainforest. The giant Brazilian otters are skilled hunters and hold the top predator status, making them the true rulers of their territory. Nothing dares to challenge them, and they rule the waterways, making other animals scared of them. Even the jungle's biggest creatures think twice before crossing paths with these formidable otters. Fish, crustaceans, and even small caimans are no match for their amazing skills and agility. When they spot their prey, they unleash their inner predator. With their sleek bodies gliding through the water, they command respect and dominance in their environment. Other animals know better than to challenge these mighty hunters, giving them plenty of space to thrive in their natural habitat. And what makes them even more special is that they are crucial for the Amazon rainforest ecosystem, helping maintain the balance of nature, making them an essential part of the environment. Number 7. Brazilian tapir. Meet the gentle giants of Brazil, the tapirs. They have a distinct prehistoric-like appearance with sturdy bodies, short legs, and barrel-shaped torsos. But what really makes them special is their adorable trunk-like snout that steals the show. These snouts are not just cute, they are also super handy. They are flexible, elongated, and somewhat prehensile, which means they can easily grab and munch on delicious leaves and fruits. But wait, there's more. Tapirs are semi-aquatic creatures with a hidden talent: they can dive. You see, the tapir's snouts work like built-in snorkels. They have special muscles and valves that allow them to keep their nostrils tightly shut while submerged. Tapirs are not only fascinating in their physical characteristics, but also in their social behavior. In their interactions, tapirs display a surprisingly gentle and peaceful demeanor. When threatened, they prefer to avoid conflict and are more likely to flee than confront potential predators. Number 6. Hoatzin. Did you know there is a bird out there that smells like cow poop? It's called the Hoatzin, but some people call it the stink bird. These birds are like real-life dinosaurs and have unique features that set them apart from other avian species. Hailing from the swamps and wetlands of South America, the Hoatzin is not your typical bird. It has a unique superpower, fermenting food in its crop. That's what gives it the distinctive aroma similar to, well, cow manure. But here's where it gets even more interesting. These birds have a peculiar way of getting around. Hoatzins use their wings not just for flying, but also for climbing trees. And guess what? That's not all. This bird is full of surprises. Not only is it a master of tree climbing, but it's also a top-notch swimmer that can even dive underwater to escape predators. Number 5. South American Coati. Are you familiar with the raccoon's clever cousins? Let me introduce you to the amazing South American coati. Coatis are fascinating animals, closely related to raccoons, and they are smart and super curious. This mammal is the size of a large house cat, has a ringed tail, and hangs out in trees. One cool thing about coatis is their amazing sense of smell, which helps them find all sorts of insects and bugs to munch on. Plus, these adorable coatis are not just solo explorers. They are super social animals that live in groups and take care of each other. When baby coatis are born, they start their lives in a cozy treetop nest. As they grow bigger and braver, they venture down to join other families and learn from the older coatis. And guess what? The grown-ups, mostly the females, work together to raise the little ones, taking turns to feed and care for each other's babies. It's like a big family where everyone looks after each other. Number 4. Piranha. Did you know that the piranha, often feared as a bloodthirsty killer, is actually a misunderstood creature? These sharp-toothed fish have garnered quite a reputation, but there's much more to their story than meets the eye. Native to the rivers of South America, piranhas possess an impressive bite force, enabling them to effortlessly crunch through their prey's flesh. And before you start imagining a scene from a horror movie, let me debunk the myth. Piranhas are not man-eaters. In reality, they are opportunistic feeders, and their diet can vary based on factors like species, environment, and food availability. However, piranhas display territorial behavior, which can make them more assertive in their feeding habits. During times of resource scarcity, they become more protective of their limited resources and eat anything that enters the water. Number 3. Blue poison dart frogs. Have you ever seen an animal so incredibly blue that it makes you do a double take? The blue poison dart frog is undoubtedly one of the most toxic animals in the world. These stunning little frogs produce a potent toxin called batrachotoxin, which is known to be one of the deadliest poisons found in the animal kingdom. The toxicity of the blue poison dart frog is so high that it's been historically used by indigenous tribes in South and Central America to coat the tips of their blow darts for hunting purposes. Just a tiny dose of their venom could incapacitate or even prove fatal to prey. The bright blue color of these frogs is like a warning sign to potential predators. So remember the golden rule: if it's colorful, don't touch it. Number 2. Araçari. Meet the Araçari, the feisty and vibrant member of the toucan family. Now, you might be thinking, oh, just another toucan. But hold on, Araçaris have their own unique features that make them stand out from the crowd. One of the most fascinating aspects about Araçaris is their perfectly proportioned body. They're not as big as their larger toucan relatives, which makes them all the more feisty and adorable. Their beak is not only a vibrant and eye-catching blend of colors, but it's also a powerful tool. Despite their smaller size, Araçari's beaks are strong and precise. They easily slice through fruits, plucking them from the branches with finesse. But that's not all. Araçaris also play a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of the Amazon. When they munch on fruits, they become nature's seed dispersers, contributing to the forest's natural regeneration. Amazonian manatee. This floaty potato is the Amazonian manatee, a captivating creature with a unique charm. These adorable creatures are herbivorous aquatic mammals that love spending their time gliding gracefully through the waters of the Amazon River with their rounded bodies and flappy fins. And despite their big size, they are quite agile. However, what makes them even more charming is their friendly and docile nature. These gentle giants prefer living peacefully, happily munching on their favorite aquatic plants. They also have a special way of communicating with each other by making soft and sweet whistling sounds that can be heard underwater. These whistles help them stay in touch with their family and friends as they glide through the Amazon River. The Amazonian manatee is truly a captivating and unique animal with its own special charm. Which animal did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.